He still got his daughter in his hand. Excuse me, sir. Yo, let him drop his daughter. Platform. That way. It's my right as a citizen to stand on the platform. It's my right to stand on the platform. But why? I can get on the platform. I don't gotta get on the platform. I pay my fare. I can do whatever I want on the platform. I'm not walking around. I'm standing right here. I'm a reasonable distance. So don't push me. It's my right to stand on the platform. I can stand on the platform. Where's his daughter?
You don't get rights. It's private property. It is. That's how it works.
I understand, but I'm not loitering. I just got off the train. Why are you pushing me?
All right? If on the train is over with. All right? Everybody on the train.
Bullshit.
Everybody on the train.
He had a baby.
Yo, bro, he had a whole baby.
Nigga, it's $2.25. Like the fuck out with you?
Like that shit, he had a whole baby.
That's $2.25.
You got it on camera.
Y'all petty motherfuckers. I got you on camera, nigga. What's your badge number?
Facebook, all that shit.
What's your badge number?
My name is Lieutenant Juan Perez, 25th District, 24th District.
I see, I got you.
I'm just listening.
I'll find out. I just can't bring you over.
I already got him in the video.
I got it. The man didn't do that. Like, you wrong, bro. That's right here.